Okay, today we're going to be looking at the Syntech USB-C to USB OTG adapter. It was purchased at Amazon. Basically, it allows you to convert your USB-C device to a standard USB. A lot of things use a standard USB. This particular model has the super speed data transfer up to 5 gigabytes per second. Not too bad at all. So I bought this to work with my Samsung Chromebook. This is this year's model. It's the Galaxy 2. And as you can see here, it does not have a standard USB port. It's got the USB-Cs. So what we're going to do today is open this up, take a look at what we got inside the package. It's actually packaged pretty nicely. Looks like we got the item here. Got a nice little Syntech sticker, and probably put it on my boss's desk. And we got a little warranty card here. Gives you some support information if you run into anything. Not sure I'm gonna need that, but yeah, we'll hold on to it. Okay, here's what we came here for. Oh yeah, there's two of these. Let's see what we got. All right, here we go. All right, nice. Okay. All right, so now I'm gonna bring the Chromebook back into the picture here, and it should be just as easy as plugging this in. I don't think, does it really matter? I think it matters. There we go. Okay. All right, I'm seeing you. All right, so let's grab ourselves a standard USB. Bring this into camera view here. And, oh wow, yeah, there we go. It's that simple. It's that straightforward. So I can run now my keyboard. I can run, a mouse or an extra storage device. And when you're not using it, it stows away. It's pretty small. Yeah. So overall, pretty satisfied with this.